at 9:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 9:38 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving into the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen earlier in the day. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mohave City, Laughlin, and Catherine Landing. Additional rainfall amounts of 1/4 to 1/2 inch are possible in the warned area. With flooding already observed with previous storms and previous rainfall, it will not take much to worsen current flooding or produce new flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
That right there was a flash flood warning issued by NWS Las Vegas off station KDWN. Yeah, I tried recording it on this camera, but it decided to turn off on me. May need to charge it. Oh well. It's from the severe weather event that happened like a few days ago. Oh well. I'll edit the video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.